Hey, it's Joshua Vergara. What's going on, everybody? And here we're taking a look at the Skagen Falster. Now, Skagen already has a great library of analog watches and a growing library of hybrid smartwatches. However, this is their first touchscreen device. Now, this particular one runs Android Wear, which means that it is compatible with Android and iOS devices, making it a pretty accessible device, just like their other hybrid smartwatches. However, you'll get access to Google Assistant, all of the different smartphone notifications via cards that you might be used to in Android Wear already, and of course, customizable watch faces, which we'll get into in a second. But the first thing that you'll notice about the Falster is its minimalist modern design. Skagen really did nail the design of the Falster, we think, and we believe that this is one of the most beautiful Android Wear smartwatches we've seen thus far. One of the reasons why is because the design, while being minimalistic, is also at a good size. It's not too small for most people who might have larger wrists. However, for those like women who might be looking for smaller bodies in their smartwatches, this actually fits the bill quite well. There's even a dial over on the side that has a nice meaty and satisfying click to it, meaning that this is a sturdy yet sleek device all around. It does have interchangeable watch straps, which include this leather option that we saw, and also these mesh straps that we saw as well. Underneath the surface, there is the Snapdragon Wear 2100 processor that powers what is kind of the smoothest Android Wear iteration we've seen thus far as well. There's just something about this clean interface, but also just how smooth the animations look that make it feel just that bit more premium than other Android Wear smartwatches that we've used. There are 4 watch faces already installed, and all of them show just enough information without cluttering up the screen. Overall, the Falster offers an edited take on useful functionality and simpler, cleaner interfaces. Skagen might have created a smartwatch that is actually incredibly accessible for way more audiences than you might expect for usual Android Wear smartwatches. The Falster will come in at $275 and $295 depending on your configuration, and will launch sometime in January 2018. So keep it tuned to Android Authority for more about the Skagen Falster and more Skagen smartwatches, including the hybrid smartwatch like the Yorn that we did review a little while back. And then keep it tuned to Android Authority for even more from CES 2018, because we are, of course, your source for all things Android.